So I'm going to show you how to use your phone as the remote control for your Vitron Smart TV. Now, all you have to do is, first of all, while you still have the remote, go and set up screen share. Okay, so if you go to screen share, click on that, and then you should see that QR code. Now, if you scan that QR code with your phone, it's going to lead you to install this app, the Gaia Share app, which is the main app that you need to use to pair your phone with your TV. And you can use this app for screen sharing, and also you can use it as a remote. So with the app installed on your phone, I'm just going to launch it from here. Once you launch the app, make sure you tap on your TV to connect. So you can see it's connected to the TV. This is this TV. And also you need to make sure that your phone and your TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you ensure those two things, all you have to do is to choose either, beg your pardon, just go back. So you choose either screencasting or remote. If you want to go for remote, then just select that remote. And now you can use the phone as the remote for your TV. You have so many things you can do. You can turn it on and off. You even have a keyboard that you can use to type. It's much easier to type on your phone than typing on the TV. So if you're searching for stuff, you just type with your phone. And that's basically how to use your phone as a remote control for your Vitron Smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.